One of the essential equipment a hiker should have is a good backpack. And you don't need just any kind of bag. Aside from needing a backpack that is spacious enough to fit your food, water, and safety gear, you also need one that will not damage your posture and break your back. Moreover, it is vital that your backpack can protect your stuff from unpredictable weather, rain or shine. And on top of that, we're sure you'd prefer a nice-looking bag to complement your hiker look. Today we'll give you our list of the best 5 hiking backpacks. By the end of this video, click on the link below to get one for yourself at the best price. Here we go! First on the list is the Osprey Atmos AG 65 backpacking. Backed with an almighty lifetime repair or replacement manufacturer's warranty, this incredibly robust backpack is a perfect companion for an overnight or long weekend travel. The Osprey Atmos AG 65 uses an anti-gravity suspension technology that gives you the perfect fit, desired comfort, and balanced load distribution. The main compartment is one fully padded with a 3D suspension system which offers exceptional and optimal load transfer. The well-ventilated back mesh panel automatically contours to the shape of the body, offering unrestricted movement. The two-sided straps support load stability and help you keep a streamlined posture. Other great features of the Osprey Atmos AG 65 include a fully adjustable mesh fit-on-the-fly hip belt with zippered pockets, where you can store small items or snacks, stretch mesh pockets on 2 sides for water bottle and gears, and a removable floating top lid that has web attachment points and 2 zippered pockets. Removing the lid, an integrated FlapJacket cover becomes handy to protect your gears from harsh weather conditions, while the zippered back bottom part with removable pad straps provides space for your sleeping bag. The Osprey Atmos AG 65 also comes with an internal hydration reservoir sleeve and ports that can hold up to 3 liters, sold separately. Second on the list is the Gregory Mountain Products Men's Baltoro 75-liter backpack. This fantastic backpack, loaded with unique features and modern technology systems that can intensify your backpacking and travel experiences. Gregory Mountain Products Men's Baltoro 75-liter backpack offers enough room for your essentials and extra space for a bottle of your favorite wine. It uses a wishbone internal frame, which is basically a highly durable aluminum frame that supports the back panel perimeter, keeps the load balanced to your gravity center, and maintains the shape of the pack. The shoulder harness is ergonomically designed with pre-curved technology and uses lifespan foam construction to relieve pressure and eliminate hot spots. The 3D air mesh material enhances overall comfort and whisks away moisture. Same with its swabbable tempered hip belts, which are available in easy-change designs in varied sizes for personalized fit. Gregory Mountain Products Men's Baltoro 75-liter backpack uses unique Response A3 suspension system, which provides a balanced, ventilated, and comfortable carry for heavy loads, technical terrain, and long days of trekking. The exact torso length of the backpack guarantees proper transfer of load. It also features a removable EVA shim that can be customized to support the lower back. Other additional features of the Gregory Mountain backpack are the removable hydration sleeve, which transforms into a sidekick day pack, weather shield zip hip belt pocket, sidewinder belt holster, front U-zip panel access, rain cover, and a sleeping bag compartment. There are many more reasons to visit this channel. Tons of videos and new content to help you make the best decision when buying products for you and your family. For timely updates, subscribe and tap on the bell button below for more informative product reviews. If you like this video and you feel like helping us out, you can. We have launched a Patreon campaign where you can support us and build the backbone of how we can continue to create free review videos for you. We have left a link for our Patreon page in the description below, where we've explained everything, so please consider checking it out. Going back to our list, we have the Granite Gear Crown 260 backpack for men in Highland Peat and black color. It's amazingly light as well as super comfortable. This hiking backpack has an inside dimension of 23 points, 5 inches by 13 inches by 8 inches. It has dual density shoulder harnesses with load lifter straps and a removable sternum strap. Its patent-pending refit hip belt is also dual density and is fully adjustable from 28 to 40 inches to fit any body type. Also, it has spacious hip belt pockets with DWR-treated zippers. Right when you thought the refit help belt was cool enough? Wait till you hear about what its main compartment has to offer. The roll-top main compartment's opening has a centered dual strap and a single buckle for comfortable compression, enabling you to have fast access to your small belongings. Talk about convenient! The carefully designed lid compartment is removable and closes with a DWR-treated zipper too. It has sizable woven side pockets, while the front pocket is made up of stretch mesh fabric. The Granite Gear Crown 260 backpack has a hydration port and an internal hydration sleeve to keep you hydrated all throughout your hike. Another important feature of this hiking backpack is its removable Vapor Current Mark II that minimizes the weight of your load while you move. We want the best products for you at the most affordable prices. That's why we're here for you. But if you think there are products or categories we haven't explored yet, leave a comment below and our expert researchers will immediately check them out for you. Next on the list is the Arc'teryx Bora AR63 backpack for men. This titanium bag features a shoulder strap harness system that rotates vertically and horizontally to adapt to the hiker's posture. Called the RotoGlide, this innovative hip belt promises comfort and ease while you hike. It turns freely with your hip, giving you the freedom to move. The Arc'teryx Bora backpack is no doubt a reliable companion for your hiking and backpacking adventures. The gear capacity of this handsome bag is 63 liters. It's made up of high-quality and durable materials, 420 and 630 denier nylon cloth, combined with weatherproof fabric to withstand rain and snow exposure, protecting your things and keeping them dry inside. The Arc'teryx Bora backpack also has stretched side pockets for your gear bottle or tent poles, and a hip belt pocket for important small items such as your smartphone and wallet. All in all, the Arc'teryx Bora backpack has 5 pockets, plus of course the main compartment. It boasts of 2 ice axe loops, a ventilated backpack for proper air circulation, and gridlock straps that allow you to adjust the width and height of the backpack, depending on your fit preference. Its thermos-molded Tegris frame sheet helps the user to distribute the bag's load evenly. At number 5 is the Mystery Ranch Stein 62 backpack in color moss, medium size. Its revolutionary design combines the comfort of a backpack and the durability of a traditional pack. The design of the Stein 62 backpack inspired by the popular Mystery Ranch Glacier backpack, but it's lighter by a pound. It's developed with lightweight fabric and materials such as carbon fiber frame and lightweight foam to achieve the signature load-bearing prowess of Mystery Ranch bags. Its space and load capacity is second to none. You can fit all your gear and tools and still have enough space for your other hiking essentials. It has multiple organization options and 3 access points to the main compartment. It also has a lid that turns into a kicker bag, a movable bungee retention, 2 tool loops, and Woojin cord locks. The sleeping bag compartment is spacious enough and can accommodate a 15-degree down bag or a 40-degree synthetic bag with ease. This Stein 62 backpack is a product of the latest innovations in bag design technology. Its patented features distribute the weight to your hips, allowing you to carry large without compromising your back. Overall, this bag offers comfort and style. To make sure that you carry all the things you need in your next outdoor adventure, count on the ever-reliable Mystery Ranch Stein 62 backpack. We hope that in your next trail, you'll equip yourself with an efficient backpack that will help you reach the top. If you want to have any of our featured products, click on the link below for the best deals. And don't trek or climb until you subscribe to our channel for more product reviews of almost every product or category you can think of. Also, tap on the bell icon to get notifications whenever there's new content.